You need to keep your audience's attention. Whether you're presenting in a steerco or just presenting to any other forum about your project, you need to keep their attention. You can get the best minds in your business to come to your meeting, and a lot of the time people will just come along because they've been invited. They don't know why they're there. They don't know why they should even care about what you're presenting. So it's up to you to make it useful and interesting to them. There's a technique that Brendan Kane defines in his book Hook Point. Hook point, how to stand out in a 3-second world. Brendan argues that on YouTube and other social media forums, you've got 3 seconds to capture people's attention, let them know that this is something that they need to have a look at and that is worthy of their attention and their time. You get a little bit longer in your project meetings, I admit, but the general concept remains true. So next time you're hosting a meeting, rather than just assuming everybody knows why they're there and that they should be there, let them know why this is important. Tell them again why your project is important, what's to be gained from your project, why people should care. Kill Bad Meetings by Kevin and Alan Hall, definitely worth a read. That book will help you to make sure that your meetings are worthwhile, that there's value being added to everyone who attends, and that you only get the most engaged participants. So start every meeting off by telling them, this is my project, this is what its vision is, this is what it's aiming to achieve, this is the benefits and the changes to people's lives, and you're contributing to that. Get them excited, get them fired up and willing to actually help you to be engaged participants in your meeting. And it takes 10 seconds to do, but it's something that nobody's doing, and you're going to stand out for doing it. People are going to remember why they care about your project, why they're there, and what they can do to help you, and it'll make them want to help you. Give it a try. What's the worst that can happen? People will think that you're passionate about your project. That's not a bad thing. I'd understand if you're feeling a little bit resentful about having to make the effort to do this, but the truth is we're in a constant battle for people's attention these days. So what do you think? Can you do this? Can you actually start all of your meetings with a 10-second reminder of why people are there and why your project is awesome? Let me know in the comments what you think. And let me know in the comments if you try it and what happens as a result. And I'm here on a regular basis now offering project management tips and tricks. So if that's your thing, hit the subscribe button. And I'll look forward to seeing you next time.